evening everybody, this is Khushi from Lexis and Company, and today we will discuss the topic which is the fourth part of this video. So in this video we will discuss that uh, when the police don't register an FIR. So what kind of remedies we have, as we have discussed on that. Okay, so now I would like to say that what kind of detail and what kind of things should be in the FIR. If you go for the registered FIR, you should know that what kind of details would be there, and क्या FIR का जो नेचर है वो एक एविडेंस के एज अ बेस ऑफ एविडेंस रखा जा सकता है कोर्ट में और नहीं. वी विल डिस्कस ऑन दैट. सो प्लीज नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द वीडियो. So the last thing which is in this video, that the detail of information should be in the FIR, like how the like offense has been committed, and all the things should be there in the video with the detail, and the rank should be there of the person who is registering your FIR. Like as you know that there is a rank in the police, that this is a SP, this is CP, which is the commissioner of police. So these are ranks, and there is a constable, and all the ranks is there. So there should be mentioned the rank of that, so that in future अगर कभी ज़रूरत पड़े तो we can recall that incident कि किसने FIR लिखी थी, what was the incident and all that. So that's that. एंड अगर FIR नहीं लिख रही है पुलिस, तो पुलिस को वो रीज़न देना पड़ेगा, लाइक कोर्ट को वो रीज़न देना पड़ेगा दैट बिकॉज ऑफ ड्यू टू दिस रीज़न वी आर नॉट रजिस्टरिंग हिज FIR. ओके, सो द रीज़न शुड बी देयर on the order, or they have to write to the judicial magistrate or magistrate of that jurisdiction, and tell them about that due to this reason we are not registering FIR. So court consider करेगी फिर कि ये FIR करने लायक मैटर है या नहीं है. ओके, एंड द लास्ट थिंग, FIR क्या FIR नेचर है सब्सटेंटिव एविडेंस का? सो नो, FIR is not, you cannot present the FIR as an evidence, because FIR का नेचर बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. वो इसलिए क्योंकि FIR डन बाय द पुलिस, एज वी नो दैट पुलिस जब FIR लिखती है तो हो सकता है वहाँ पे वो FIR झूठी हो, बिकॉज दैट इज़ नॉट बेस्ड ऑन द इन्वेस्टिगेशन, that is not based on the research of that case or something else, because of first information report, because आपको first information मिली है अभी, क्या first information को सच मान सकते हो, नहीं मान सकते. So that is why the FIR is not the substantive proof or substantive evidence, and the police do not consider this as an evidence. But हाँ, one thing more, many judges and many jurists has quoted that the FIR plays very vital role while investigating the matter, क्योंकि FIR की वजह से ही like जो investigator होते हैं उनको हेल्प हो पाती है कि वो कैसे कैसे कनेक्ट हो पाए चीज़ों से, और कैसे कैसे वो चीज़ को इन्वेस्टिगेट कर सके, सो दैट द जस्टिस शुड बी केम आउट. ओके, so thank you. This is the end of this series of the FIR. So in the next video we will discuss most important topic, which is zero FIR. Okay, so zero FIR will be covered in next video, so please go and watch that video also. So, and let me know in the comment if is there anything which you don't understand by the video. Thank you so much for watching this video.